Hi everybody, this is the website boy again with tutorial number 9 on how to make a website from scratch step by step. Today I'm going to show you how to make the blog in your website. That's right. You can make a blog and you can have people commenting on your posts, all right? Now we're going to also add some posts and some pictures there so that way you see how this works. It's going to be awesome, right? So for those of you that don't know how to navigate my course, this is how you do it. Make sure you subscribe by clicking on that link right there. You're gonna see it right in front of you in the bottom of the video there in the corner. You're gonna see it. Click it. You're gonna subscribe immediately. No need to enter any emails or anything like that, right? So for those of you that see this thumbs up, make sure you click it if you like my videos, because that way you can let me know that you're liking my videos and I can make a lot more than what I'm making right now. It gets me on Red Bull Drive, you know. So thank you so much for doing that, right? For those of you that already like my videos every time you watch them, thank you. I really appreciate you guys. Make my days. It means the world to me that I'm doing something productive here, that I'm helping people out and they appreciate it. And that this is what it shows me, right? So let me go ahead and let me show you how to make a blog and put some posts inside our website. All right. So let's do it. Back administration area of our website. All right. And we are going to create a blog section and some blog posts. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly what that means if you don't know. If you recall, if you go to pages, let me just make this a little bigger so you can see it. If you go to pages, and you're going to see that we created a page called blog. Now if you right click on it and open new tab on this on Chrome, you're going to see that it's empty, and there is a reason why. Because here on this blog page, we are going to put all the posts, all the articles that we're going to be writing. For example, let's go back to it, and here you're gonna see a section where it's called posts. All right. If you click on it, you're gonna see that we have one post, right? Now this section here is supposed to have that, right? Because when we first created our website, our homepage was the post, but right now it's nowhere to be found. Let's fix that right now. Let's put some posts in here so we can see everything that we write on our website, on our blog, right? So let's go back to it. Let's go back to the main menu and go to settings and then reading. And then here you got a couple options, but now the options that we are interested in is the post page option. And you're going to select that page. This is where you want your posts to be, on the blog page, right? And then you're gonna save changes. And then if you go back to that page and refresh, you're gonna see that first post right here called Hello World. And this is the post that WordPress actually has in default for you. So let's go back to it, right? And let's just click it and rename it. Edit. And let's rename it. Let's call it First Post by the Website Boy. All right. And it doesn't have an image. Let's just put an image for it, right? Because if you go to it, you can see that it doesn't have an image. And let's set the image. Let's just put whatever image, a slide, doesn't really matter. Set feature image and update. I just want you to see how it looks. Go back to it and refresh. And now you can see that that post has a first feature image there. But now keep in mind that these are posts, and I'll show you exactly what I'm trying to say right now. Let's add a new post and let's just call it second post. All right, and we're gonna put some text here. Let's just put some of this Loren Ibsen stuff. All right, and let's generate some Loren Ibsen, and let's just add some stuff. Copy it and then paste it to your content stuff. Paste it in the text tab so that way you don't copy any CSS styles, and then go back to your visual. That way it's in your default font family. All right, so now let's click on publish. Let's go back to that, and now if you refresh, you're gonna see that you have a second post right here and doesn't have a picture. Now this one is smaller now, and is the first one, right? And it's the reason why, because it's gonna make the most recent post picture bigger so that way it catches the reader's attention. And the rest are gonna make smaller. All right, so this is your blog. This is where all your posts are going to be. Let's put a feature image for that, and just put another one, and update. Go back to it, refresh, and you can see now this is the first one, right? And this is the second one. So if we click on it, if you notice, it cut everything off because this second post, if you go back to post, has a lot more text. What happened to all the text? Look at it right here. It's cut like in 25%. The reason is because this is not a post page. This is just the blog. Let's click on it, and now you can see the rest of the content for that specific post. All right. So, you know, you can also click here and we go up. Really cool layout. But anyways, so that way you can um, make posts, create blog pages, and everything with this layout. Is pretty cool with WordPress, right? So if you go ahead and create another one, for example, let's add another one. I want to show you something before I go, so that way you know what you're doing. Paste, and let's just put third, and let's just grab some more text from here. All right, publish, and I'm just gonna put another picture here, actually. All right, let's go to that blog page and see how it looks on the blog page. All right, so I'm gonna go and refresh, and as you can see here, now it looks like this. It has a all right. So in this specific layer, it looks like everything is gonna go in the columns, right? As you can see here, it's pretty cool. All right, so this is the blog page, and then these are your posts, and you can go to each of these posts just by clicking on the title or the image. All right, in the future I'm going to show you how to actually make this more advanced, and you're going to love it. But anyways, if you like my videos, please like them. Click on the like, and share them with your friends, and make your comments. If you have any questions or feedback, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and go ahead and click on the next top of this video if it has one, and go to the next video on this series here. All right, thank you. Bye bye.